So have you created your Canva design and now you are ready to sell it on Etsy? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to create that design as a template you can sell on Etsy right now and start making sales today. I'm going to show you all that coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teaching you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products. And so if that is something you are interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time you are getting value in today's video, please give me a thumbs up, as that helps this channel out a lot. Now let's jump into the video. So previously on my channel, I taught you guys exactly my step-by-step process of creating a best-selling design and actually mocking it to sell on Etsy. And so if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you check out the card above. But I do want to share with you how you can actually sell it as a Canva template and start making sales today. So before we sell this as a template on Etsy, one thing I do want us to note is that if you have used a pro element or a pro font on Canva, this is going to show up as a watermark if your buyer does not have a pro account to use those elements on Canva. So to be on the safe side, I would encourage you to use the free elements that Canva provides for you, so that when your buyer purchases from you, they can use all of the elements without getting in contact with you about the watermarks. So in order to use this as a template to be sold on Etsy, you want to go to the share option. Now this is a lot different than the share option you might find right here. And if you try to sell this with this share link, and this is where you're going to have a lot of complications, because anybody that uses this share link and modify your designs is going to change the entire design for everyone that is using that same link. So do not use this share link, but you do want to go to the top where you have the share button, click on this button, and then head over to the little arrow at the bottom and click on it. And now you can actually share this to be used as a template. And once you click on that, now you have a template link that buyers can actually use on their own and make their own modifications to your design. Now this allows any buyer to use this without corrupting the original design to be sold in the future. So once you have that option selected, go ahead and copy the link. So the way that I provide this link for my buyers to use is by creating a simple buyer's guide PDF that provides that link for my buyers to use. And I want to show you how I make those now. So what I do to make my buyer's guide is I go over to the marketing section on Canva and I click the flyer. So the next thing you want to do is actually drop over a template. Again, you can spend some time recreating this or make it more personalized to your store. But again, the whole point of this is to provide that link onto this template so that you can actually send this over as a PDF that has that link embedded in the text. So now we have created our buyer's guide where that our buyers can actually get the link to our template. So now that we have that made, the next step is to link our template link to our download button. So if you lost your template link, just head back over to your design, click share, go down to the bottom with the arrow, and you can go down to use as template and copy your link. Now that you have your link, go back to your button and go to the options tab. Click the link button and just paste in your template link. All right, so now when people click this button, it's going to lead them over to the Canva template that we just designed. So the last thing that we want to do is download this buyer's guide as a PDF so that this link can be accessible to our buyers. So to do that, just head over to the download tab, head over to our options, PDF print, and simply hit the download button. So now we have our buyer's guide sent to our buyers in a PDF form, and they can simply download their template by clicking this button, and it will open them up to use this template in Canva. And again, this is a great way to create designs and sell them on multiple occasions without having the original design be changed, because a buyer is using a shared link as opposed to using the Canva template link. So again, this is what your buyer is going to see, and now they can use the template and create their own designs or make modifications to your designs right in Canva. So that is the end of today's video. If that was any way helpful to you, make sure you guys leave me a like on the video. And if you want to see more step-by-step guides of how you are able to sell more products just like this in Etsy, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. So as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.